Thanks for coming back to the channel. I've not been here for a while because I'm being tied up with other things. I'm working on another aircraft, but it's just taking a back burner at the moment. But anyway, someone asked me a load of questions about this quadcopter, so I thought I'd make a video. This is the model that I bought first, that I'd intended just to make into a UAV, but it ended up being a quad plane. Anyway, this is just a quick run through of the various components. That's a Pixhawk, obviously. This is a SIC radio. This is for telemetry. This is a small power module here. That just gives you tells the Pixhawk how much current and the voltage of battery, how much current's being used in the voltage of battery, so that this is what your telemetry gets its voltage and battery life information from. This is a GPS sensor. It's important on here, this here, people don't realise this little thing here, this little light is actually the safety switch to arm the motors. That's important because if you don't press that, you get no motor activity. This is the BEC. This just provides 5 volts for something. It provides 5 volts for something. I don't remember immediately, but anyway, you need it. You've got this is the airspeed sensor. There's another point here. This is a 3D printed part I made. 3D printers are really useful. This kind of stuff takes 10 minutes to design and half an hour to print out, and it's just having a 3D printer is super useful. You've got the radio receiver just there. You can't see it, it's behind this, but it's there. These are the 2 antennas. It's a diversity receiver for crossfire, which I'll come to in the next video. The LiPo is under there. That's the connection for it. Then you've got your ESC here for the for this motor, replicated in 4 places, and the big motor at the back here for forward thrust. So that's basically the components you need to understand. I've put everything on the outside of this plane, so it's easy to see what's going on when I'm explaining it to people. This is just a test platform for me to prove, so I've got something to explain things to people with, because you need to be able to see where everything's connected to everything else. So that's it. I'll be back soon with a video of the whole thing powering up and arming, and how the telemetry works, and how you prepare it ready for flight, and how the flight transition works.